In today's video, I'm trying out 3 products that have been gifted to me by Sculpted by Aimee. So stick around to see how I put together this super natural looking makeup look on my mature skin. So Sculpted by Aimee reached out to me and asked me to pick some items from their collection, which was super exciting. I picked the Cream Cushion Foundation. As you know, I love cushion foundations, so I thought I'd give this a go. I have picked the shade 4N, so fingers crossed that's going to be a good one for me. Open it up and we have our little puff and the flip, and let's open it up. Oh, it's feeling quite wet foundation at the moment. Let's see, is that coming through all right? Oh, it's looking very wet. Is that normal? Yeah, it does actually say, press your puff or a tissue onto the mesh to absorb the hydrating liquid that has risen to the surface. Once absorbed, your cream cushion is fully activated. Okay, so this is evidently a thing that happens. You get a kind of a liquid coming out first, and then after that you will get your foundation. Okay, yeah, so we're definitely picking up foundation on here. Let's go straight in with it. It does say to apply it with a brush, interestingly, but let's give this little puffy thing a go. What do we think of the shade? It might have been a touch dark for me. Let's compare it to my hand. It's not too far away. I like to go over this pigmented area on my neck. Hopefully it will cover up that mottled section. Right, so this is going to be a first impressions video because obviously I haven't used this before. I've literally just received it and opened it. We are going to try out the bronzer and the blush. I have put a lot on because I'm trying to make sure I don't just have that hydrating liquid from the top of the container on here. I am going to try and use the bronzer and blush and the foundation to do most of my face. I'm obviously going to then have to add a few more products to finish it off. But there, how is that looking? That's looking very, very dewy at the moment. Okay, I've just dabbed off some of the excess because I am concerned that I'm actually picking up the liquid. So I'm going to go in here with a brush now and see actually what happens. Okay, that's a little bit easier to manage. The puffy thing is fun, but you don't really feel like you have full control. Okay, and this is giving me a much I guess a much more covering layer of foundation now. So there we have our foundation. It is looking really dewy. I'm certain that when we apply a powder, that's going to sort this dewy look out and hopefully retain the dewiness, as well as I think the coverage looks really amazing. I think my skin looks really good. It looks very smooth, very airbrushed. I'm actually quite impressed. Even the shade, I have a tendency sometimes to wear shades that are a little bit too light, and this is a little bit darker than usual, but actually it's not a bad match if you compare it to my kind of tanned skin on my arm. It's actually not a bad match at all. So I'm going to go in with the cream bronze. Like I said, I am going to go in with powder at some point, but let's look at the rest of the Sculpted by Aimee products first. I've picked the bronze in the shade Light. This is the Cream Luxe Cream Bronze, and this is how it's looking in the pot. Really nice, beautiful little container here. And right, let me get hold of my liquid bronzer brush. I'm using a Morphe brush for this. Let's see what happens here. It does feel quite cushiony, which is interesting. Okay, it is light, so hopefully we're going to be okay with this shade. Let's go in around the cheekbones here. Actually, I probably should use a smaller brush. I'm planning to do my eyes with this, but I've gone in with the with the large brush when I was thinking I was going to do it with the smaller one. Actually, let's take some up to the temples. It is quite a light shade. I am able to build this up a little actually, but it's certainly not going on, I don't think, too dark. I am looking very dewy. I'm very conscious of that. And then next up we have the cream blush, and I've bought this in Peachy Pink, or rather I've been sent it in Peachy Pink. Again, really lovely, really lovely little pink container here, and that is our Peachy Pink shade. So let us grab another brush. I'm going to use a Morphe one again, and let's see how this goes on. Oh, it looks lovely. Okay, let's put some on here. Really, really pretty pink shade there. I think that's looking really, really nice. Before I powder, I might add a little bit of concealer. I don't anymore have a Sculpted by Aimee concealer, so I'm going to have to grab another brand. But let's add a little bit of concealer to lighten up this area, because the N4 is quite tan for me. I have got this really light coloured one from Estee Lauder. It's the Double Wear in 1N. So I'm going to use this because I'm certain this is going to lighten things up a little. I'm going to be cautious with it though. Apply it to my hand first. And then I've got this under eye buff brush from Huda Beauty to use this in the under eyes. I've just used the tiniest amount, sweeping that under the under eyes, a little bit down the side of the nose, on the tip of the nose, just on the forehead here. Okay, yeah, that seems to have done enough to lighten this area a little. Hasn't been covered over by that concealer too much. Okay, I think we're ready for powder now. So I've grabbed my Hourglass Veil, which is a translucent setting powder, and I've got a powder brush here from Morphe, and I'm just going to use this to go all over to set this, what is at the moment quite a dewy look, and then we'll see if we need to reapply anything. Okay, so now I've powdered, I think I am going to go in again with a little bit more bronzer and blush. Bring the life back to these cheeks again. And then a bit more of this really, really beautiful peachy pink shade. So for my eyes, I'm going to tight line the upper lashes with the RMS Beauty. This is the Straight Line Kohl Eye Pencil in Plum. I'm just going to push this through the lashes to try and emphasize the lash line a little. Then we'll apply the RMS Beauty Straight Up Mascara. This gives your lashes a lot of volume and a lot of extra definition. I really like this mascara. I'm going to leave the lower lashes bare. And for lips, I'm going to line with this RMS Beauty liner in the shade Morning Dew. We're going for a natural look all over today. This is so close to my natural lip colour that it looks really natural and you can hardly even see it. And to finish off my lips, I'm going to use a classic. I'm going to use the Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. Again, really, really natural looking, very close to my natural lip colour. There we go. Absolutely perfect. So I don't know about you, but this is a look that I could wear absolutely every day. The foundation is quite dewy, so if you're an oily skin person, this might be too much on the dewy side for you. But if you don't mind a bit of a glowy finish, or you have a drier skin, then you might like the cream cushion by Sculpted by Aimee. I really like it. I think this colour is a great match, and I think these bronzer and blush shades are also really super natural and super pretty. I really, really like this look today. So I hope you enjoyed today's video using PR of products gifted from Sculpted by Aimee. I really enjoyed doing it for you, so if you enjoyed it, please give me a like and hopefully subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Thank you for watching.